Hey, what's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at the power rule, alright? This power rule is for derivatives. So let me write it out here. Power rule. Okay, so what does the power rule tell us? It tells us that if we have a function, right? We'll call this, we'll call it f of x for a function. We'll say it's x to the power of 4, okay? You know what? No, let's say it's to the power of n. And n is any integer, okay? So then it tells us that d over dx, or the derivative with respect to x of f of x, is going to be equal to, the n comes in down, the n becomes the coefficient of x, n times x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so this seems a bit complicated at first, but really it's something you can do in your mind. It's super easy. So let's take this for an example. So let's say I wanted to find the derivative of x to the power of 5. Alright, let's do 5. Okay. Now pause the video if you want to figure it out. Alright, sick. I hope you paused the video and figured it out. Now what you do is you just bring the 5 down, so the 5 is the coefficient, the x stays, and we're going to subtract 1 from the exponent. This becomes a 4. So this is the derivative, alright? So this is pretty simple. If you look at it, okay, bring the 5 down, I subtract 1. Easy. Let's do another one. D over dx of how, sorry, not dx over dx, d over dx of x to the power of 22. What's this going to be? I hope you don't even have to pause the video. Look at that. That's 22x to the power of 21. Great. Okay, one last thing. X, this actually works with non-integer powers too, and negative ones. This is really a versatile rule. If I had x to the power of, say, a half, this is also the equivalent of saying the square root of x, by the way. What is this? The 1/2 becomes the coefficient. 1/2 times x to the power of negative 1/2. Okay, well if you wanted to write this out, this would be 1 over 2 root x. So that's cool. Like, it works with fractional exponents. Does it work with negative exponents? Hell yeah, it does. Here we go. D over dx of, say, x to the power of negative 3. What does this become? Negative 3 is the coefficient. X to the power of negative 4. This is the answer. Okay, so this is something you can do really quickly. It's the easiest rule. It's the best rule. You learn it once, you'll remember it forever. Come back next time where we learn some other more complicated rules.